Welcome. In front of me I have Honor Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch or rather smartband from the Android phone. First, we need to open the Honor Health application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. In the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on device icon, and here on the list of devices you should see your Honor Band 7. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the more options icon, and then tap on the option called delete device. Finally tap on OK, and the watch or other smartband will be removed from the device page. Now we can close the Honor Health application. We can also open the Bluetooth settings on our phone and check if the watch or other smartband is right here on the list of paired devices. It's not here, so we can close the settings. But if it was, here you can tap on the settings or info icon next to it, tap on unpair or forget to remove it. And after you removed it, you can close the settings. And that's how you unpair this smartband from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.